So you guys can see there's some dryness going on over here for sure. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and in today's video I'm going to be going from straight to curly hair, and I'm going to show you guys what's my routine when I'm typically coming from straight hair back to my curly natural hair. So if you guys are interested, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications and let's get right into the video. Hey guys, so I know I look a little bit crazy right now, or a lot crazy, but I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know what I did in the shower for my hair and what is going on right now. So obviously when you're going from straight to curly, it's really just washing your hair, and that's pretty much it. Your hair is curly once again, if you're a natural curly, obviously. Yeah, so I washed my hair. I put in, if you guys watched my review, I put in the Mo Airy shampoo. I feel like that shampoo really gives me a really nice cleanse and like a fresh type of start. Some people may not like that shampoo because it kind of does dry. It gives you like that squeaky clean feeling, but honestly I wanted that feeling, and I love the ingredients in that particular shampoo, so that's why I decided to use that one. Typically when I'm going from straight to curly, I also like to use Olaplex number 3, but for some reason I misplaced it during the move or something, but I just don't have it, and I really thought that I had at least one bottle untouched somewhere, but I just cannot find it anywhere. So unfortunately I couldn't do my Olaplex treatment. The Olaplex treatment number 3, I think I have a whole video reviewing that, but it's really great to basically like help your hair like boost. Oh, quick sidebar, if my cheeks are rosy, pay no mind, it's because this is heated, so I'm hot. So the Olaplex number 3 treatment, it's really gonna help like connect like those bonds in your hair again. I don't know the actual terminology because I just don't. I really love using that one to help give my curls like the boost again. It's really great to use that right before you straighten and then right after you straighten. But unfortunately I wasn't able to use it because I just couldn't find it anywhere. But typically that would be my actual routine. Like I'll use it in the shower. I'll leave it on for maybe like 15 to 20 minutes depending on how long it takes me to like, let's say, shave or whatever else I'm doing in the shower, and then I rinse that out, and then I go in with a deep conditioner. Now you have to remember that the Olaplex is not a deep conditioner, or a conditioner for that matter. It is just like a specific treatment. I know that a lot of people usually treat it as a conditioner, but it's best to actually follow up with a conditioner or deep conditioner. I personally like to follow up with a deep conditioner. It's like this moment here from straight to curly is like me apologizing to my hair and try to give it as much love as possible. I did trim my ends a little bit while it was straight. I might do it again today once it's curly and I see where it needs like a little bit of dusting. I have been doing that on my own because I just don't want to do like a big chop. I really don't, when I to make my curls like bounce back or whatever. Maybe I will in the future, but anyway, that's besides the point. So I'm gonna show you guys the deep conditioner that I used, and this is my first time using this deep conditioner actually. It is the Camille Rose Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask, Cocoa and Mango Butter. This stuff is really pricey. It is like $20, so it is pretty pricey honestly, but I've really been wanting to try because I've heard great things about this brand in particular. This is my this is my second product from Camille Rose. I have their honey leave-in conditioner. Their honey leave-in, I guess it's called a conditioner, whatever, and I really like that, but I really wanted to try their deep conditioner because I've heard that it's really high quality. All the reviews that I've seen of it, it's like really great. So I'm not gonna give you my personal opinion on it until I see how my curls look after I rinse it out, but that is what's in my hair now. So when I was in the shower, I just put this deep conditioner on, and then I put a shower cap on. Right now it's almost been an hour since I had this deep conditioner on. I think I put this hot cap on maybe like halfway in because I left it on while I finished up in the shower, and then I came out and I didn't put this cap on right away. Real quick before I get to the cap though, I want to talk about this. It smells so good. It looks like this. on the inside. So that is all just from one use, which was today. I didn't use that much. The slip on that conditioner is absolutely amazing. So you honestly don't even need a lot. Sorry if my angle is a little bit different. Unfortunately, my memory card got full and I had to like delete and stuff. But anyway, I'm back. So yeah, the deep conditioner, you really can use it sparingly. And I love the smell of it. It honestly reminds me of like chocolate mint candy. That's what it reminds me of, because it has like a minty kind of, it doesn't feel minty on your head at all. It kind of has that like scent, like just reminds me of that, or like just some sort of like dessert. It smells really, really good, really, really good. And the slip is absolutely amazing. So I really loved how it went on my hair, and it also just made my hair feel so juicy. So that is while it's on my hair. Let's see once I rinse it out. In the meantime, I'm gonna probably put my makeup on. So honestly, this conditioner might stay on for a whole nother hour. I'm gonna take this cap off though in about maybe 10 to 15 minutes because I'm really hot and I like doing it for my hair, but it honestly drives me a little bit nuts. But it's great if you want to warm up and stuff. So this cap, I think I've posted it on my Instagram and Snapchat before, but it is from Hot Heads. I got it in a PR package. Basically, you microwave it. I think it's like 40 seconds, 3 times, like in and out. You like flip it inside out, then on the outside, all that stuff, like 3 times for 40 seconds each or 30 seconds each. It depends on your microwave as well. This has like flax seeds in it, if I'm not mistaken. It's flax seeds in here, and it just warms up, and it's kind of like being under a hooded dryer, except for it's a lot faster and a lot more convenient in my opinion, because you have mobility and it's a lot quicker as well. You can leave this on for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can even leave it on even longer. I personally have did it once and then I went back, put it in the microwave and put it on again. It just, the heat allows for the deep conditioner to really penetrate into your hair. So it's really, really good when you're going from straight to curly to really help your hair come back to its like natural self. You really want to give it as much TLC as you possibly can. So deep conditioning and leaving it on with a hot cap or with steam on it in whatever way possible is really going to help the moisture get back into your curls. That is all I have for you guys right now. After, I'm going to show you guys, well, I'm going to rinse it out and then I'm going to show you guys what I put in my hair and how I treat it after I have straightened it, and we'll see if I got any heat damage. Hopefully not. Sometimes you can just get heat damage from a one-time kind of thing, so there is that, but hopefully I didn't get any heat damage because I don't really straighten my hair or use any heating tools a majority of the time. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey again, guys. So I just want to let you guys know that I'm actually going to rinse my hair out now, and I'm probably going to style it out now. I did have a shower cap under the actual heating cap. I just didn't want to get the heating cap dirty, but I just realized I'm like halfway through my makeup and I'm like, wait a second, I don't want to like really diffuse too much because I don't want to use too much heat, and I typically don't use too much heat in my hair after I have it already, like I just straightened it. So I realized that I actually want to start air drying my hair already. So I'm gonna go rinse it out and I'll be right back to show you guys how I style my hair. Alright you guys, so I am back. I just rinsed out my hair and I just wanted to point out something. I don't know if you guys remember, if you guys watched me going from curly to straight, remember I used that L'Oreal gloss? So when I washed my hair with shampoo, I didn't see any like color. I don't know if I just completely missed it or it just really didn't come out, but now that I rinsed out the conditioner, I saw a lot of the color come out. So I don't know if that had something to do with the ingredients in the conditioner, but yeah, that was just something that I noticed. I rinsed out most of my conditioner. I think I left like maybe like a dab of it in my hair, not much at all. I just rinsed it out. I didn't really touch it too much. What I've noticed too is that it really like my hair really soaked up the conditioner. Typically when it comes to a lot of like, I guess cheaper deep conditioners or conditioners as well, your hair doesn't necessarily, my hair doesn't necessarily like soak it in. It actually like, I don't know, when I'm rinsing it out, I kind of just have to like really keep going, but I didn't have to rinse too much and I put enough in my hair. So anyway, enough talking. I'm going to style my hair. One thing that I like to do when I'm coming back from straight hair is to just put, see, it even has some on my towel, like it's so strange. But one thing that I like to do is I like to put a lot of moisture in my hair. I have my gel. Honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna use it because sometimes I don't like to use it, and I'm really stunned at how my hair looks right now. It's like so glossy and like it looks so juicy. I don't know if you guys, can you guys see that? Truly, my hair, when I take it out of a towel especially, it looks a little bit dry, and this side looks a little bit like frizzy-ish right here, but for the most part my hair actually looks pretty juicy. This is about to be my favorite deep conditioner. By the way, y'all, I've upgraded. I have upgraded. I finally have a continuous spray bottle. Ow. Why am I so clumsy? Yeah, this was only, I don't know, I think this was like $2 or maybe $5. I don't remember. But anyway, I got one now. That's what matters. That is what matters. I never really care as long as it freaking does its job. I'm just like, whatever. So I'm just making a big deal out of it for no reason. I don't usually section my hair off. You guys know I'm kind of lazy when it comes to doing this. But guess what we doing today? We're gonna section our hair off and make sure that all of our hair gets the moisture. I want to know, are there any curly girls or guys in this watching this video right now? What leave-in conditioners do you guys recommend? Because I have the honey one from Camille Rose, but sometimes I find that it actually, because of the honey, it kind of makes my hair a little bit like frizzy. You know what I mean? Like, just like, it adds great moisture, but I find that it does that to my hair sometimes. So I don't know, I like it, but you know, sometimes I don't necessarily like go for it. Most of the time I don't really go for it. And right now I'm gonna be using the Curl Talk from Not Your Mother's 3-in-1 conditioner. This is the one I've actually been using a lot of, and I've been combining that with my Olaplex number 6, which is also a leave-in styling cream. But yeah, if you guys recommend any kind of leave-in conditioners, let me know. So I'm gonna re-wet my hair just a little bit, just because I did let it get a little bit, like, it just dried out just a tad bit while in the towel. I only had it in there for like 5 seconds, really. Nothing crazy. Wow, honestly, you guys, my hair is so shiny. Wow, wow, wow. Honestly, sometimes you have to spend some more to get like the best out of your products. I'm gonna wet this side as well while I'm at it. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner. The pump is messed up for whatever reason, I don't know. So I just have to like take it out and use it this way. So I am kind of smoothing it onto my hair, and I kind of go really high. I know sometimes a lot of curly girls say don't put the product high up so you could get more volume, but honestly I don't really care as long as my hair is moisturized, because I just straightened it. So everything needs to be moisturized and drenched in some hydration, especially my ends. So I'm just smoothing it onto my hair as well as raking it through. I'm only gonna show you guys these 2 pieces, and then I'm kind of gonna hurry up and do the rest. And then, yeah, making sure every strand gets some love, especially my ends. Honestly, my hair looks good, y'all. Baby this baby back to health. So now that that's in, I'm gonna go in with the Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. And I'm honestly gonna use a little bit of this, just a tad, like that much for both sides. I'm just going to rub it and then just do this. And mostly focus it from the mid shaft to my ends, because my ends really need it the most. And I'm doing the same kind of motion, like kind of raking but smoothing it in at the same time. Yeah, you see, now my curls are juicy. I know. Now I'm going to brush it out with my Denman brush. Sometimes I don't do this step. Sometimes I just rake it and call it a day. But I want some juicy curls, so I'm gonna just do this. Little by little. Here, and also want to make sure you kind of lift up, which I might not get a lot of volume just because what I just did, I just kind of put the product like all the way up, but that's fine, I really don't care. And then I'm gonna scrunch. I'm not gonna put my gel yet until I see how my curls feel when I'm done with my whole entire head. So now all I'm gonna do is, you guys have seen me scrunch before, and I'm not gonna manipulate it too much, truly. I try to just let my hair do its thing because, yeah, it just went through a lot, you know? I'm not gonna lie though, I kind of really loved my hair straightened, but anyway. So I'm just gonna do that to the rest of my hair, and if I decide to put gel or not, I'll let you guys know, but I'll be back in a little bit. Just a quick tip, I don't know if this is for everybody, but for me in particular, like right here at the crown is where my hair is like the driest. So I actually take the product up really high and I try to moisturize the entire strand of hair, because for some reason, like, I don't know, it's just like my hair's always dry in this one area and it gets the most tangled and everything. So I don't know, again, I don't know if that's just me, but if it is you, just make sure to put extra moisture in that particular spot. Also, for the front pieces, I'm gonna be raking it towards the front and then I'm gonna push it back, because I want the hair to kind of come forward and be like, you know, a little bit higher up. But anyway, that's just about it. I just wanted to check, and I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, I'm all done. My hair is saturated. I'll show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see, my hair is pretty saturated. I don't have any dry parts. I did decide that I am gonna use a little bit of gel, and the gel that I'm using, it is the Eco Styler. I think I used this in one of my last videos. This is the olive oil, professional styling gel, olive oil, and it has max hold. I'm only gonna use a little bit. I'll show you guys how much I'll use for my entire head. Like, this is all I'm gonna use. I know I have hair, just disregard. But this is all I'm gonna use for my entire head, and I'm just going to scrunch that in. So I'm just gonna mix it in between my hands. Let me move back a little bit. And I'm gonna put all my hair, forward, and then I'm just gonna scrunch the gel into my hair. All right, that's about it. I like to kind of smooth down around the edges, and I also sometimes like do this kind of motion in the front and the back because it kind of just seals all the products into my hair. But now my hair is basically ready to be set. I don't necessarily part it. I kind of almost never part my hair as far as like in the middle or the side or anything. I never part it. I just kind of let it do what it does. But now for the final thing is I'm gonna just take my microfiber towel and I'm just gonna dry it up a little bit. Like, just take my towel and just scrunch my hair. And then that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys later with my final results. Okay, you guys, so I am back and these are my final results. My hair is still a little bit damp at the root because I did go in and diffuse. I diffused on cool air and then I diffused on minimum heat, and I just really didn't want to manipulate my hair any further because I saw it start to get a little bit frizzy, and again I just used a lot of heat when I was straightening, so I really didn't want to do much more. But this is my results. Let me show you guys a little bit more closely so you guys can see there's some dryness going on over here for sure. After I completely air dry, like I'm gonna let the rest air dry, but let me show you. Look at these. These are some juicy ass curls though. I think that deep conditioner was really bomb for my hair. I think it worked really well for my hair. This is the most definition I've gotten in a really long time. So I'm actually really excited about that. In the midst of me diffusing, you guys know I diffuse with the regular round diffuser and then I diffuse with the diffuser, which is like a hand. In the midst of me diffusing, I did go ahead and use some Olaplex number 7. And this is a bonding oil. You guys seen me use this when my hair was also straight, and honestly this bonding oil works well either or. It helped me like separate some curls, which I don't always do, but since I did the Denman brush, I had like clumpier curls, so I did go ahead and separate some curls. I'm probably gonna apply a little bit more oil once I'm completely dry. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my straight to curly hair routine. If you guys want more hair videos, just let me know in the comments down below. I really don't know what else to do because as far as hairstyles, honestly, it'll just be like on impulse. Like I would just, you know what, I want to change my hair today and I'll just put some braids in or something like that. So I'll try to be better about that at maybe filming more tutorials when it comes to my hairstyles. But for the most part, you guys can let me know what other videos you'd like to see from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!